Okay, JB held whack or hack number 2. This is the front door that I just took apart, and I was like, the door lock stopped working, and I didn't know that I could just spray WD-40 in the lock to dissolve the dirt and then spray silicone lubricant in the lock to fix it. Instead, I watched this video. I had ordered a new door handle, so I'm like, I'm gonna take the door apart, put in that new part. I forgot what kind of part it was, so I accidentally took apart the whole door actuator, which makes you break these lock rod clips. And everybody complains about these parts, so I got a JB Weld hack. Can you even see it? Let's see if you can see that JB Weld hack. And it's holding so far.